is not your place. You can't just run around making a mess everywhere.
What are you doing?
Coco, stop it.
Got lots of hot dogs.
Have your tail? Can I have your neck?
All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay? You hungry again? Pippin, no! Stop it! The whole bath. Why? She goes. Are you gonna come to bed? Are you gonna fall asleep right there? Kermit, come here. How did you do that?
Hey! Hey! Come on.
Madonna e lo sapete.
So here, we're gonna bring the palms back and release. If you're in a oh, that's his head.
Nonsense. What did you do?
Hello, Phoenix.
I'm Mountain. Oh my God!
Hey, Barbie.
No, no. Oh my gosh.
I love you. You love me.
It's not that serious.
Measure that for me, mate. Lovely stuff.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
Wonder why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh,
Oh.
Nah, nah, nah.
It's okay.
You good?
A fancy feast.
Him. My cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can.
What? Yeah.
Please walk away. No.
Oh, sausage, my love?
Of the ancient communist
Oh my god.
You working out? Oh, good girl.
Oh my god. We're both.
No te preocupes, los gatos siempre caen. ¿Cara?
One. Who wins? Oh.
Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
Little baby man. Little baby man.
Jared! You are a fox. Funky.
Come on, bro. It's not that bad being a chicken.
Huh?
So I've been stuck on the toilet for at least 5 minutes now. Matanya.
Dimitri could have died, but that's the rest of their own business, right?
Oh my god.
They really fucking sound like wham wham wham.
Hey, Chris. Yep, same. Same. Oh my god, pumpkin!
Oh, Sally, I need to work.
Hey. No.
It's not that serious.
Are you giving her a haircut?
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really. Oh my god.
I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chocolate.
you do a little bit lower, please? You do low. Thank you.
What are you doing? Rigby, are you seeing?
Strength detector.
Oh!
Don't make me Bucky. I'm not here to have the conversation.
Why are you so cute?
Twenty-first century evolved feminism.
Oh, you got a brain cell today. Nope.
He's like, bro, hurry up, Madge. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Rude. Oh, come to the other side. Oh my god.
I ain't got no pass.
I'm making go down. Fuck off right now. Lie down.
Oh shit.
Piper, what did you do?
She knows.
You ate the cake, didn't you? You think if you sit real still, I won't notice?
You fucker.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
Scaring me. You're scaring me.
Faces. Black cat's emotions are less expressive, so people.
Hey! Hi!
Eyesight is weaker than others, and due to their deafness, they cannot hear danger, which makes them defenseless against predators and vehicles. Life on the streets for them is a real gamble, but despite all
Coat color can change in the sun. In some black cats,
No.
Nya, 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 nya.
Countries. In the UK and Japan, black cats are
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Please, why do you want it? No, Chloe.
Oh! Motherfucker, where is it? Where is it?
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you came. Girl.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
It's supposed to be on the counter. No. No, 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 no.